You're probably wondering what fresh hell this is. This bus is going to get washed. Belongs to a customer. But its battery's dead and we can't get it out because there's a prison bus parked way too close to it. Plus, it's heavy. So we're gonna Lorenize the situation and just use these batteries right here. You got this, Loren?
What?
Have you ever done this before?
Oh, I've done so many different time ways.
But have you done this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I've done them so different. You know, whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
See, the bus is stupid.
Yeah.
It doesn't know where the power comes from. All it knows is it wants juice. The biggest problem with all these buses is you have to have a good connection.
Yeah.
But when engines haven't run in a while and they're cold, they'll start easier than they will when they're hot.
You think it'll start on one?
Let's try it.
Okay.
Now we'll add a second. Now let me go get some starter here.
Check it out. My idea. I don't know why it's not. We got some of those laying around. We gotta fix that. This thing looks like a hot rod. Low water indicator. Loren's idea. Getting ready to teach me. I have no idea what trans bypass is. Or why it's spelled like that. Is this groovy? I wonder what this is. So we got a ground right there. We got a hot right there. What's happening?